children. Today we will study about the model of Earth from SST class 4. Okay children, in previous class you learned what is Earth and what is globe. So, what is Earth? Earth is a planet. Whatever we are living on, this planet we will call Earth. What is globe? Globe is a small model of Earth. Globe is a small model of Earth. What is the uses of globe? We have to use the globe to study and understand the Earth better. We have to study and understand the Earth better. So, we have to use the globe. Okay, see here. This is the Earth model. This is Earth model. Here, equator. This line we will call equator. This equator divided Earth in two parts. This equator divided Earth in the two parts. One is northern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. The northernmost point we will call North Pole. The northernmost point we will call North Pole. The southernmost point we will call South Pole. The southernmost point we will call South Pole. Okay, on the Earth many lines are running to parallels each other. In the Earth many lines, they are running from west to east. On the globe, many lines are running parallels to each other, means they have equal to each other, one below another. These lines we will call parallels of latitudes. These lines we will call parallels to latitudes, or latitudes we will call. These lines never meet each other. These lines never meet each other. So, total 180 latitudes are there. How many latitudes are there? 180 latitudes. From north side 90 and south side 90. Here 90 latitudes and here 90 latitudes. So, today we will study only few most important latitudes. First one, this is we will call equator, 0 degree. This line is measured in the degrees. These lines are measured in the degrees of northern-southern measurement. Northern-southern measurement. This is equator. This line only divided Earth in the two parts. Second, this is 23.5 degree northern line. This is 23.5 degree northern, or this line we will call Tropic of Cancer. This is 23.5 degree northern or Tropic of Cancer. Same way downside, 23.5 degree southern. This line we will call Tropic of Capricorn. This line we will call Tropic of Capricorn. Next, same way another latitude. This is 66.5 degree northern. This line we will call Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. Same downside, 66.5 degree. This is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. The most point already I told you, that is North Pole. This is South Pole. North Pole, South Pole. Okay. Next. Here. Next we will study about longitude. What is longitude? Longitudes are lines upside to downside to north to south. Longitude lines are drawn like upside to downside of the poles. This line we will call longitude. These lines we will call longitude. These are meet. The latitudes are never meet, but longitudes are meet in the pole sides. Longitudes are meet in the four sides. Total 360 longitudes are there. Total 360 longitudes are there. In that mainly we have to study two longitudes. First one is prime meridian. Second one is the international daylight. International daylight. First one is prime meridian. Second one is international dateline. What is prime meridian? The prime meridian, it is going in the UK states, in Greenwich place. Greenwich place. It is runs in the UK states, Greenwich place. So this line we will call prime meridian. This also a globe. It will make globe in two parts, from east side, south side, east side and west side. Here 180 longitudes are there. This side 180 longitudes are there. Another one, that is international day. It is dead about is opposite to prime meridian line. It is back side. See here, 1, 2, 3 like this. 180 are there. This is round. No, dead opposite, back side. I am standing here. Back side. It will overlap. One by one overlap. That line we will call international daylight. It will go on the Pacific Ocean. When we are cross this line, the date will change. We will cross this line, the date will change. For example, in India, morning 7 o'clock, next state 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So we will cross this line, means it will change the time. Okay children, today class we learned about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are never these, longitudes are, they will meet in the pole. Latitudes measured degrees. Longitudes also measured in degrees. Okay, latitudes are mainly 180 latitudes are there, and longitudes 360 longitudes are there. Okay children, today homework, how to draw the globe or a model of Earth and mark the latitudes and longitudes. Thank you.